Hello and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm Deirdre and today is day 5 of the October vlogs, and it's been a long day, another long day, but today was mainly about going and collecting my car, which is finally back. I was doing a few things this morning, but this afternoon that was what I had to do, and of course I got stuck in traffic, really heavy traffic, not sure why. No real need for it. Maybe there was an accident somewhere, but it had been cleared long before I finally got to the place where everything had been sticking, and then it just flowed. Anyway, it took me ages. So I'm happy though, got my car back, she's sparkling clean, couldn't tell that she's ever been injured, so that's a good thing. Now, the thing is though, I got home and I'm tired, and I was, still thinking, what should I make for dinner? So I thought, well, I'm going to make a Buddha bowl. And I'm not sure if you have these around the rest of the world. I'm sure you do, but they're certainly a big thing here in Australia. I think it comes from the fact that Buddha used to carry around a bowl and people would donate whatever they could to him during the day. And so it was a mixed up odds and sods meal that he would have at the end of the day. So a Buddha bowl for me is a sort of a version of clearing out the crisper and finding out what's in the fridge and then making a meal from it. So I'll show you what I am going to do tonight. Right, so it's a bit of a cheat. I'm going to have some of this really nice brown rice and quinoa that I do in the microwave. I've got a little pack of feta that I've had for ages, but it doesn't go off, so when does it have to be? Yeah, not till November. I have to eat it before November. I've got, of course, an avocado. You saw me buying these the other day, and some tomatoes, and the spring onions over here. Some nice little fresh eggs, and I've got some baby bok choy, the asparagus, of course. I got out a carrot and a red pepper, or a red capsicum. And out of that, oh, and of course, I've got hummus. Because there's nothing like hummus and a poached egg on the top of a Buddha bowl to just make it taste really, really tasty. It sort of acts like a dressing. So I'm going to break the carrot, chop the red capsicum, steam the rice, slice the avocado. I will chop these into just some little pieces, I think, and wash them, and the same for the bok choy, and then almost just blanch them in boiling water, chop up some little mini tomatoes and slice a spring onion and put that all together in a bowl, and I think it's going to be rather delicious, and it's certainly going to be quick. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is to boil the kettle, because that's the most economical way to boil water. I'll put it in a pot and ready to blanch the bok choy and the asparagus.
I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my 2 feet on solid ground. And then I take the first step a million more, and I make mistakes I never made before. But either way, I know I made up my mind. I'm through feelings, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true. Do whatever I wanna do, and then I let it shine on you.
make sure that I get a nice poached egg. So this is a nice bright yellow egg, which I like to see. Carrot over there. Ah, beautiful. Now, I'm sure you know the swirl method. And there's a leaf in there. Now this is the swirl method for poaching an egg and trying to keep it whole. So you swirl it and then you gently drop the egg in. See how it sort of clings together? It's better when they're not quite as fresh as these are. See, it's spreading out a bit. They spread out more when they're fresh than when they're a few days old, but that's not bad. Not restaurant quality, but not bad. So now, put it all together. Turn that off. Put my asparagus. I'll just use some tongs to get this out without burning myself. And I'll put my happy little egg on the top. Like so. Some avocado and cherry tomatoes. Sprinkle the whole thing with some of the spring onions. And over this side I'm just going to put half an avocado. And now I'm just going to scoop up some hummus onto the top of that. It's also full of protein. Sprinkle a few more of my nice little spring onions on it. Do a tiny sprinkle of salt. So I do like a bit of salt. Not a lot, but enough. And there you have it. That's my meal. Carrot, my egg, the greens, some hummus with carrot and avocado and rice. And what was the first thing I put in? I can't even remember. It's way down the bottom. Oh yes, capsicum. There we are. That's my meal. How quick was that? Bit messy. Come back and clean it up later. But right now I'm hungry and I have a really nice meal. I hope that you'll subscribe and join me for the rest of the vlogs of October. And I hope that whatever you're doing, you're having a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.